6:53, I clock in. I'm up the stairs at my desk, ready to work. 7:01, the phone begins to ring until 3:30. My name is Gail Finch. I have been an employee of Wellborn for 22 and a half years. And I'm a transportation clerk, which means I take care of the customers' calls and I also route the trucks. So it's a very busy job. It was back in the 90s. I always worked in a sewing plant. And then I had met this friend in Wadley, and she told me, she said, well, they have a customer service opening, so try customer service. So I came, applied for a job, and I remember Mr. Bobby Caldwell was the man that interviewed me. And he says, oh, you never worked in an office, but you want an office job. I said, yes, sir, I just want a chance. He gave me that chance. I started out in customer service, and Mr. Ken Neesmith, he said, how would you like to work in transportation? I said, it doesn't matter as long as I have a job, you know, I'm good, I can learn anything. So I went to transportation, and that's where I still am. You have an open mind, you can learn anything. That is exactly the way I did. I never have worked in a transportation environment before. I remember my co-workers asked him, can she talk? I said, yes, I can talk, but after I learn what I'm doing, I'll talk. I really love to route trucks. I really love to help people. I know sometimes you just want to make sure that your truck is coming, and you just want that reassurance, okay, my driver will be there then. So, you know, my biggest part is just make that person on the other end of that phone smile. To get that material routed to put on those trucks to be shipped out of here on the day that manufacturing has it ready, that is the most important job. My mom and dad has always told me, when you get a job, you be the best that you can be. You just have to have that open mind and willingness to learn. You can move mountains.